Premium connectivity on your Tesla Model 3 enhances your driving experience with live traffic, satellite maps, and in-car streaming. This includes live traffic visualization, satellite view maps, and in-car streaming services like Netflix or YouTube. However, issues with subscriptions, LTE connectivity, or account linking can disrupt these features. Premium connectivity relies on Tesla's built-in SIM card and LTE network, with occasional fallback to Wi-Fi or increasingly Starlink. Understanding these core components is key to troubleshooting. The first step is to verify your premium connectivity subscription. Open the Tesla app and navigate to Upgrades, then Manage Subscription. Confirm that your subscription is active and that your payment information is up to date. Billing errors or expired cards are frequent causes of connectivity loss. If your subscription has lapsed, renew it through the app. Note that post-2024 Model 3s often bundle the first year of premium connectivity, so check your initial purchase agreement if you're unsure. If your subscription is active but LTE connectivity isn't working, start by checking your cellular signal strength. Weak signals in your area can cause connection drops and intermittent issues. Next, try performing a soft reset to resolve temporary glitches. Hold down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel until the touchscreen restarts. This process clears minor software issues that may be affecting connectivity. Finally, check for over-the-air software updates in the software section. These updates often include the latest connectivity fixes and improvements to LTE performance. Installing the newest version can resolve persistent issues. Connectivity issues can arise from account unlinking or verification problems. Confirm that the Tesla app is properly linked to your vehicle. Log out of the Tesla app and log back in to refresh your credentials. Ensure two-factor authentication is enabled for added security and easier account recovery. If problems persist, contact Tesla support to manually reactivate your account's connection to the car. A deeper system reset can sometimes resolve persistent connectivity problems in your Tesla Model 3. Go to Controls on your Tesla's touchscreen, then select Service and choose Factory Reset. Note, this will erase your personal settings, so back up any important preferences. After the reset, relink your Tesla account. Use the sign-in page to relink your Tesla account. Then, reconfigure your Wi-Fi settings on the center screen. This can clear out any lingering software bugs interfering with connectivity. Tesla's LTE connectivity relies on regional carriers like AT&T in the US. If you are experiencing issues while roaming outside your home country, this can cause connectivity problems. OTA software updates now include improved carrier switching logic to automatically connect to the strongest available network. If you continue to experience difficulties, contact Tesla support to verify your car's SIM card settings are properly configured for international use. Tesla has integrated Starlink satellite connectivity to enhance coverage, particularly in rural and remote areas where LTE signals may be weak or unavailable. First, check your vehicle's software update notes to confirm if Starlink mode is available for your specific vehicle and region. This feature is typically included in recent software updates. If Starlink is available, enable it through the vehicle's connectivity settings. Access the Settings menu, navigate to the Connectivity section, and toggle Starlink mode on. Once enabled, the system automatically switches to Starlink satellite connectivity when LTE signal strength is weak or unavailable, ensuring a more reliable connection for navigation and streaming. If you've tried all the above steps and your premium connectivity is still not working, it's time to contact Tesla support or schedule a service appointment. There may be a hardware issue with the SIM card or LTE module that requires professional attention. Tesla's remote diagnostics can often identify the root cause and guide you to the appropriate solution, potentially avoiding a service center visit. In summary, Tesla's support team and remote diagnostics are designed to help resolve connectivity issues efficiently. Contact support early to avoid unnecessary service visits.